Today's session.
Raghu, can you send us a recording for yesterday's session?
Like I have an issue with converting that Nirmal, but let me work on that tonight. Then I'll send that to you, Nirmal.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks.
Okay, guys. So basically, we have seen like how to customize your homepage, right? We have seen like different things in your homepage and how to customize them. That is what we have seen. And in today's session, let me explain about like a little bit of navigation part that you need to be aware in SuccessFactors system.
I think your voice is very low, Raghu.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, you are correct. I put my headset, but I didn't plug in the USB port into the computer.
Thanks, guys. So, with respect to the basic navigation and the different terminology that we are going to use in SuccessFactors, let me show you guys. There is something called as, like, if you see here, the moment you logged into SuccessFactors system, this is the default home page where you will be landed, right? And after that, you can see here under your name drop-down menu, you see there are a lot of options, suggestions, options, and you don't see a proxy now option because you don't have right for that. I'll talk about the proxy in probably like in another 2 or 3 sessions. But you can see under options what are the different things that are available for you. And options is going to be available to all the users, guys. In fact, whether you are an administrator or you are just an employee in the organization, these options, whatever we are seeing from the name drop-down menu, right, is going to be available to everyone. And what you are going to do with these options is nothing but you can see you will be able to change your passwords. And this is about your password tab. And you can see there is a start page. And how this start page is going to be useful is like you can see, which means that which one you want to make as your default homepage. Usually, by default, SuccessFactors is going to provide the default homepage as your homepage. But say, if you're not interested in...
Raghu, can you show us how you navigate to this page? Sorry.
Oh yeah, sure, no worries, guys. Let me come back. So this is your default homepage, right? So from the default homepage, click on the name drop-down menu. Hi, Victor. So once you click on the name drop-down menu, you see there is a option called as options. Click on these options, and once you click on the options, right, this is the page where you are going to land it. And here you can see the very first option to you, the first tab is called as a password change option. If you are interested in changing your own password, yes, you can go ahead and change your own password. And the second thing is going to be like start page. You can see here. So this start page will tell you based on your kind of work in the SuccessFactors system, which page is going to be your default home page. Whether you want to go with the default SuccessFactors provided home page, or say you are a SuccessFactors consultant and most of the time you will be doing your configuration and you will be working on the administration tools. Sorry guys. So in that case, it is more appropriate to set the administration tools as your default homepage, right? You can change based on your jobs, duties and responsibilities. You can always change your homepage. Let's see, I'm going to set my default homepage as administration tools. Let me save this. And if I go back, I log out and log in, right? My homepage, the page where I'm going to land after logging into the system is going to be like the administration tools, guys. Let me show you. Right now, I set the administration tools page as my default homepage. Guys, if you don't have any question, just mute yourself. I know like even I am muting you guys. Sometimes like you will be unmuting it. So just mute yourself after your question, guys. And if you notice, guys, you can see the moment I logged in, the page where I landed is the administration tools page. You can see here. Let me show you again, guys. So probably like you might not have noticed that. You see, if I give my, you can see the moment I logged in, right? It is not going to be the default home page. You can see I am logging in. I am landed on the administration tools page. So that is how you will be able to configure. That sort of configuration you are going to achieve using the starting page option, guys. So, and if you want to put it back, you can always put it back. And this subtab configuration. This subtab configuration is a kind of like you are seeing under the name drop-down menu, right? You see here, you are seeing the name dropped under the home. Sorry, guys. Under the name drop-down menu, you see different options here. So which order they are supposed to display or what naming conventions they want to carry out. You can see you will be able to do that using this option. Say under goals, I want to see the status report. So under performance, I want to see the team overview. Under reports, instead of looking at the dashboards, I want to see the analytics reports. It's a kind of what I can say is like this is your module. And under that module, there are several possible sub-modules or different kind of functionality, right? So you will be able to see what kind of, let's say, let me show you this. You can see here, whenever I click on the reports, right now, I am landing on the dashboards page. You can see here, I am landing on the dashboards page. This is the dashboards page, guys. But say, I am not interested in landing on the dashboards page. Rather, I am interested in landing on the analytics page or analytics tab. How I am going to control that? You can see this is your analytics module, the reporting module. Under your reporting module, you have different sub tabs or pages. So based on your requirement or based on your necessity, you can always go ahead and change in a particular module on which page I am supposed to land. So you can always change that using the sub-tab configuration. So the navigation for your sub-tab configuration is you have to go to your options and go to sub-tab configuration. Under the sub-tab configuration, you can see here. So the left-hand side, these are your modules. Under each module, you have some subsections or some sub-tabs. So let's say instead of reports launching on dashboards, I want to launch them on analytics. Click on that, save this configuration, guys, and now go to your reports module. One second, guys, let me log off.
Prabhu, do you have an option for the mass?
Pardon?
Do you have an option for mass update? Like if you want to do it for the whole company? Like we don't want...
No, these options, right, whatever we are seeing, these options is going to be only specific to the user, guys. Based on the user preference, we are going to do that. And if you want to do it in if you want to do it in a mass fashion, right? You have a different, you have something called as under company settings, you can do that configuration.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Not from this place.
No, but Raghu, this is rare. The personalization, whatever you are doing, it is only applicable to the modules which you granted access.
Exactly.
Because I don't see the compensation or any other thing, so those won't appear there, right?
Yes, exactly. They won't appear. Based on your access that has been granted to you, you will be able to see only those things.
Yeah, Rahul, but you promised yesterday was going to give us access to company settings. Well, I didn't get anything yesterday from you.
Hey, I granted to everyone, right?
Well, I didn't get any company setting this thing access because I can't even set. You know what you did yesterday to manage your this thing? I didn't have it.
No, I remember, as far as I remember, I set up your all admin access and then sent an email to you with the new passwords. Give me a second.
Exactly.
Give me a second, Ray. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Give me a second, Victor. 1 second. Someone change my password only, guys.
Yeah, I think mine is also locked, Raghu. I think you can unlock mine.
Small request, guys. Don't take it like otherwise. See, like try to use your own accounts, guys. Don't try to do lot of activity on the user data file, and don't try to reset like for a group of people. Don't try to reset the passwords. See, it is going to be really tough, especially on the weekends. Most of the people, they want to work on the system, and if someone is going to reset everyone password, right? They are gone. Like until unless I came and I'll come and reset their password, they don't have any option and they have to wait and their time is going to be wasted. So it's a kind humble request from my side. Don't play with other user accounts or like don't play in a mass fashion. Do it in a single user by user, guys. I'll reset your password, Ray. Don't worry. Yeah.
Yeah, you can unlock. I think the password is same. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'll do that.
Like, I didn't realize you. I saw your mail. I think you reset the password. I was using the old password.
Oh, okay.
Raghu, you have reset the password for everyone or just for you?
No, this is myself. Someone reset my password, so that is the reason like I'm resetting myself. And because I am coming here because Victor is telling that he don't have access to admin tools. Victor, right now I am going to log into your account and you can see here.
No, I have access to admin tools, okay?
Okay.
What I'm saying, you know what you were doing yesterday when you said we can go on to setting and then add some tiles. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I got it. 1 second, Victor.
So when I go to add some tiles, right, I can't even see nothing to add some tiles. The only import rows, data scan library, about 5 files in there. Submodules there.
Let me see. Yeah. I got it, Victor. Let me see.
Like what you've got here now, we haven't got it.